Hi. So I decided to start learning French again. I actually learned French when I was in primary school, also secondary school and university even. But it was like the basics. So now I want to really be able to converse in the language. So I decided, you know what? Let me start all over again. So I did a review of the alphabet and I'll be saying it here. So any topic I learn, I'm going to come on here to, repeat that and see how far I've gone. So also if you're French, you can also send some encouragement or watch the videos and see if my pronunciations are good. Thank you so much. So I'll start with the alphabet. That's what I'll be doing in this video. So there are 26 letters in French, just as in English, but it has like different pronunciations. So let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's all for the letters. You can leave your comments below. How did I do? See you in the next video. Bye.